Good evening, guys. You know, I did a vlog about the music square. I think there is music playing. Look, I think, yeah, don't know, there's something playing. Yeah, there, look. Friday night it is. It's 7:36 PM in the evening. No music playing. Sorry about the quality of my phone, guys. Only because it's night time. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the live video thing. Remember to click that subscribe button and thumbs up. Alright? Alright, catch you all later. The music playing there, and there's also music playing at the harbour wall. Here, not harbour wall, town beach. It's over there. Clear sky tonight, that's the moon up there. At 26 degrees right now. So warm, it's unreal. Right guys, remember click that thumbs up. Right, click that thumbs up button, guys, and remember to click like. Alright, catch you all later. Bye for now. Be updating some drone videos later on of the surf today. Alright, catch you all later. Bye everyone.